Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to schedule and send email from Gmail 2021. Yes, you can schedule email later, you can send. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my email, I just go to compose mail. That is compose mail I have created. So I would like to create a meeting. I would like to schedule the email to send to my clients or to my friends. For example, I just type a email ID. So I would like to wish for the Christmas evening. So I may forgot to wish the people. So wish my friends. And if I schedule the event, means automatically that mail will reach to the particular clients. So what I should do, yes, give the email ID, whatever email you are going to send to your friends and family or your colleagues. So just give, and I just type wishes. My client, that is my dear valuable customer, I would like to wish them. So I just type whatever I want, and while you are clicking send option, so just click a arrow, you will find a schedule and send. So once you click a schedule and send, so when is your customer a birthday, you can directly send the details. So you can pick a date and time and you can send to the people. For example, so today is July 16, so my client's birthday is July 31st. I just select July 31st and what time you are going to send information, that is invitation, that is around 10 a.m. so you can give a 10 a.m. so directly this mail will reach them on 31st July at 10 a.m. that is, you can identify your date and time and just schedule and send. So once you schedule and send, automatically send scheduled on for Saturday July 31st to 10 a.m. so just view the message. So you have whatever you are typed, everything will be displayed. So you are going to send information to your students or to your clients or to your wishes, whatever wishes and whatever information you want to share, you can schedule while you have in the mind, you can schedule and you can send to your audience. So this is a beautiful option Google has provided with a schedule and send option. So using this option, so you may forgot that date and that event, so just to schedule the date and time means automatically Gmail will artificially intelligent will send the emails to you. So this is a beautiful option, so use this option. If you like this option, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.